Hello, welcome to Booked Up English. My name is Susan. What's your name? Say hello in the comments. Today, we will talk about packing for our vacation. Let's go! We will speak using present simple tense. Let's pack the suitcase and go to the sea. Sunglasses. I pack sunglasses. What do you pack? I pack sunglasses. Sun cream. I pack sun cream. What do you pack? I pack sun cream. A hat. I pack a hat. What do you pack? I pack a hat. A beach towel. I pack a beach towel. What do you pack? I pack a beach towel. Flip-flops. I pack flip-flops. What do you pack? I pack flip-flops. What do you pack for the sea? I pack sunglasses, sun cream, a hat, a beach towel, flip-flops. Send a video or audio PM and tell me what you pack for your vacation. Thanks for learning today. Tomorrow, we will review what we have learned. Grab the free download to get ready for tomorrow. See you soon!